Hello, people. Today I'll be reviewing runwayml. It's an extremely useful tool for any creative, essentially whether you're a graphic designer, a web designer, video editor, a photographer, the list goes on. Essentially, anyone who deals with visual and audio elements can benefit from this one. This AI tool allows you to create stunning visual elements with nothing but words. How awesome is that? You can just use your words to create awesome visual elements. There are features that allow you to create illustrations or transform existing photos, videos, and you can essentially use prompts to generate these assets from your own words or templates themselves. So I'm going to run you through 3 examples of how you can use Runway to come up with very unique elements for whatever project it is you're working on. And today we'll be covering image to image, video to video, and text to image. So let's jump into it. So the first one I'm going to do is image to image. So let me just upload an image. Here we go. Cool. Resolution. I have to upgrade for HD. SD is fine for now. So I want to add something to this photo. Add a baboon. 2 O's to the top of the car. Let's see what it does. Generate, generate, generate. What? Where's the baboon? Right. Add snow. Let's try that. Maybe it doesn't like animals. Add snow. Okay, snow works. Snow, okay, snow works. Number of outputs, 2. Add snow and a Christmas tree. After the baboon issue, this may be a problem. Okay. There is kind of a Christmas tree here. We'll take that. Is this the that can't be the baboon. Okay, it likes non-animal things. Okay, you can add snow. That's fine. Kind of works. Works okay-ish. Let's see if I can go add flames. No, add rain. How does it deal with rain? This is going to be a sea. It's going to be under the sea now. Okay, look, it's added. It's kind of added rain. Okay, it works better with things that aren't animals. So yeah, you can see what you could do there with image to image. You can probably get a bit more clever, and you can add your own model to it in terms of the outputs that you want. So that works okay-ish as long as you don't try and add a baboon. So the next tool is video to video. Again, you can use a prompt. Here I've pre-uploaded a video so we don't do the same waiting around like we did for the first image. And I said to this, add snow. So let's see what that does. Obviously, if you want to do any of this faster, you can just upgrade. There'll be a link at the bottom of the video if you want to upgrade through the means of my review. While we're waiting for that, there will also be text to image. So I have decided to go with post-apocalyptic Disneyland. So we'll see how that one pans out while this one is uploading. Actually, let's get this to generate whilst the other one is generating. So it'll be interesting to see how it adds snow to this version. Gen 1 video. It's added snow. Let's play it with snow and mute it. Okay, it's not terrible. 4 seconds of snow. Add rain. Let's get it to add rain. All right. Okay, so that's going to try and generate the landscape with rain. I'll move on to text to image. So here you can essentially generate any type of image you want. And I decided with post-apocalyptic Disneyland. That looks really, really mental and scary. Let's try it again. Meh. Post-apocalyptic beach. Clearly doesn't like Disneyland. What is this? What is this? With boat. Post-apocalyptic beach with boat. Wow. Okay. This sucks. This sucks. Let's try this again. No, we this does not work. This does not work properly. So if you guys want to use Runway ML, don't use these features, because actually there are a couple of others, like remove background. That works really well. Image to image can work, but if you don't do crazy stuff like this. So if we go back to this image and I go here and upload this again, let's see what it looks like with rain. That sucks. Text to image is okay. It doesn't really... what if I add HD to the end of this? Anyway, if those three features look interesting to you, I definitely encourage you to take a look at their website and give them a shot. I'll see you on the next one, but I would say that there are better features to use on Runway ML. Maybe I'll do another one where I'll give it another chance, but right now, those features sucked. If we go with infinite image, that might work. So let me add an image. Let's go here. This work? Yeah. Let's try and expand. Infinite image. No, that doesn't work. What if we go here like this and click generate? Cats. Generate. Yes. Accept. More cats. Let's try that. Yes, that. What is that? That looks scary. Right, there are loads more features to Runway ML that you can try. Like, for example, it's got training features. You can generate 3D images if you want to. You can edit audio and subtitles, so you can essentially remove silence, add transcripts. So you can essentially transcribe any video to text. You can generate subtitles, clean your audio. When it comes to editing, you can remove backgrounds. So if I do this and I add this video, it will drop the video in here like this. And look, it starts essentially generating the mask. I clicked on the wrong thing. And if you then finish masking, it will remove the background, I think. There you go, look. So you can essentially remove backgrounds of anything you want to remove background on. Anyway, try the tool. If these features interest you, try it again. I definitely encourage you to take a look at some of the others because they are actually quite useful. But you know, it's the first three, I think, need some more mastering on everyone's side before they can be entirely useful. But yeah, over and out. See you on the next one.